Nagbigay ng mensahe kay G. Tonji, ang anak ni Arnel Ignacio, na si Pia Ignacio sa Facebook account nito. Sinabi ni Pia sa kanyang post na hindi lamang para kay G. Tonji ang kanyang mensahe, kundi pati na rin sa mga netizens na nangungutya sa mga kalbo. This is the second time this week someone targeted D.A. Arnel about his hair. Forget the differences in opinion if artists should dig deep into current affairs. But to generalize men suffering with hair loss or baldness as mahinang ulo is just mean. We should offer support to men and women than dig deep into their insecurities. Papa is just fine discussing his baldness, but in our clinic creative hair systems, both men and women enter feeling conscious, both of their baldness or receding hairline, which is why we take time to sit with them and know their story. It's not their fault. Usually it's genes, worse it's cancer, or they had an accident with hair treatments. Others naman are fine with baldness and like the way it looks on them, which is absolutely fine. This statement is not just for this lady. Sana lahat po wag natin pagtawanan mga kalbo o nakakalbo. Sabi ni Pia sa kanyang post noong November 7.
Share for 5.